Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Luna. This video is part of the presentation for assignment number 1 for the Internet of Things class at UCSC Extension in Santa Clara. For this project, the objective is to do some lining with these requirements. First is to connect RGB LED as the output, connect a push button that controls when it goes on and off, connect a second button that produces change in the color of the LED. Then connect a photo sensor that controls also when the LED goes on and off, and as the bonus, produce some smooth color changing. This is how the project works. This is the schematic of the circuit. I'm using the RGB LED using 1K resistors. I have the photocell making the voltage difference with a 10K resistor. I have two push buttons with a 10K pull low resistors, and I'm also using the one more exit, which would be this LED that it's showing the on-off status. Over here we have the Arduino UNO computer. We have the RGB LED with the 3 resistors. We have here the photocell with 1 resistor, and the 2 push buttons with the 2 pull low resistors. Right now this red LED is showing us the on-off status, which is controlled by the first button. This is the system in operation. Right now this red LED is presenting an off status of the circuit, and we control that on-off status with the first button, which is this one here. The one to the left is the on-off status. We're going to turn it on right now because we have light. The RGB LED is off, so even though I press the color change button, which is the one to the right, it won't do any action until I turn off the light. So now the system is on. Now I can change colors. I'm using an algorithm for the color change, which I explain in a minute. It's just a buckle with a for loop. These are the 6 colors. If I turn the light on, system goes off. If I turn it back off, it will come on. And if I turn off the system using the button to the left, the LED will also go off. This is part of the code that I'm using for the system. I'm introducing 4 functions. One of them is light up LED, which will produce the colors to light up. Light down LED, which will make the LED to turn off. I have the Boolean button on off, which will take care of the moment you press the on off button, and this last one is taking care of the color once the button is pushed. The loop is doing checking the button on off. When that happens, it will change the Boolean status of the on or off status, and according to that it will turn on or off the LED, the red LED. The requirement about the condition to lit up only once you get low lighting condition and the button is on is done using this logical AND condition, which is going to turn the LEDs on and check once the color button is pushed to change the color. If this condition is not happening, then we'll turn off the LED. This concludes this part of the project. Thank you very much.